Kasta ano sa ti para is kaglayna. Yan tang kata may sa kom. Evitib. As tang isa may si panday sa may si kakanat sa front. I klop my mais as fire. No? But yan tang ek fra. Pasi my si I say me I gaan kyk op brood vir die kinders, né? Because die brood die manne gaan weg gegaan het. Verstaan jy nou? Een dag was kyk in die huis en ons nou so klomp fire kom uit in die huis. Die vrou, hy was die ene van my. Hulle gaan my gesê, "Kom as fire in die huis en kom aan asseblief." Ons het dit die meisie gekry nie. Verstaan? Die man het laat gekom in die week aan. En dit weekends.
So wie was die ma met die kinders in die huis gewees?
Niemand was in die huis nie.
Die kinders was alleen.
Ja.
En toe wat het julle gehoor? Wat het gebeur?
Ons het nos gebeur, dus ons kinders huil, verstaan ze aan. Ons nos gehuil, voor die kinders gehuil of wat die. Ons sien het die dinge, die fire kom uit in die huis aan. Ons meen het was die meisie van die kanaal sê aan agter ene, die ene is agter nie. Hy sê vir ons, nee aan mami, gaan kyk vir die brood. Verstaan ze? Hulle wil soek vir die brood, ook kiemies vir die kinders aan.
So the mom wasn't here. The mom was out.
Because we don't know where the fire started or what. But we know since we know when the fires come out from the candle.
Is that what you think, Captain?
Because we don't know.
They use a candle and the heat to cook.
So you didn't hear any screaming or anything? And you weren't aware that the children were alone?
We didn't know about that.
Is dit die eerste keer wat dit gebeur het, waar dit 'n brand is hierso?
By ons ja.
Ja,
Ja, babe.
Hoe voel julle oor wat gebeur het en die kinders, the kids that lost their lives?
I'm so sad about that. I'm so sad because they were still young. I don't know what's happening in the future. If maybe we did have some chance to just a chance to grab them out, we don't
Or
care
if
about the
we
house.
hear
Just the sound.
Screams.
But there was
but we
nothing.
didn't hear nothing.
It was a really fire.
Was it a big fire?
Maybe
Was a
the
big
kids were
fire.
already dead with the smoke.
It was a big
Because they
fire.
were still young, 8 months.
Can you tell me about the babies? How old were they?
8 months.
8 months.
The one passed away.
The girl.
Both
Come on.
of them, they're boys. Twins.